Today, I will show you Drift Car Air Freshener review. Drift sells wood, stone, and metal car fresheners with premium scents, natural materials, and that clean visor clip look that screams, I drink iced coffee and organize my glove box. On the official site, Drift even shows over 29,000 reviews, so clearly, people are buying the smell dream. The product idea is genuinely cool. Amazon listings say the wood freshener is made in the USA from sustainably sourced wood, uses essential and fragrance oil blends, and clips magnetically to your visor with a metal clip. So instead of a cardboard tree swinging around like a tiny rearview mirror hostage, you get something cleaner, flatter, and more luxury car. But make it subscription. Now, the good side, some customers love the scent, the design, and the fact that it doesn't look like something you grabbed at a gas station next to beef jerky. Drift's own site shows glowing reviews saying the scent lasts, the clip looks good, and the car smells upgraded. In other words, when Drift hits, it hits like your dashboard just got promoted to first class. But then Trustpilot walks in, holding a receipt and a headache.
Yeah, boy.
Drift.co has a 3.5 average rating from around 2,000 reviews, with 48% 5-star but also 33% 1-star reviews. The big complaints are subscription confusion, hard cancellations, slow support, wrong scents, and people feeling like they accidentally joined a monthly smell club with no emergency exit. That is not fresh air. That is billing anxiety with sandalwood notes. Reddit and BBB complaints tell the same messy story. Some users like the product, but others complain about orders not arriving, scents being too strong or too weak, and subscriptions being hard to stop. BBB's profile includes customer reviews about scent fading quickly and difficulty canceling. Final verdict: Drift is not a total scam, but the subscription model is the real villain. Buy one time through a protected checkout first, and don't let your car air freshener become a monthly financial hostage. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.